Alright, let's talk about another trading platform which is cTrader, kind of similar to tradingview platform, but I think it's not integrated with tradingview, but it's kind of similar to tradingview platform. So let's see later on what are the features and how things works and what are the things that need to be improved in this platform. So these kind of trading platforms has been popping up within past couple of weeks and introduced by prop firms because of the struggle of prop companies. Recently, the MetaHost has been stopped to provide their service to prop firms, so they has to find out new trading platforms to offer their service to clients. So cTrader also one of them. The cTrader, cTrader, TradeLocker, DXTrade, these are the new platforms that has been popping up within past couple of weeks. So let's see what are the new features and what are the things that need to be improved in this cTrader platform. Of course, when you can see the charts over here, there are very few simple things that you can see on the charts. You can switch between the time frames, simple time frames you can see. You can switch between candlesticks and line charts, and especially you can now trade with multiple chart setups over here, right? Which is pretty cool, right? This is kind of a pro version of tradingview platform, right? Which is cool. And you have the mouse pointer, right? You can check. I think what this one. I think it's as all right. This one is a kind of a particular. When you point out a particular candlestick, you can see its opening price, right? Opening price, high price, lowest, and the close price, and the time and day. So that's what you can see. Right, just any particular candle over here. That's also cool. And there are some tools, support and resistance lines, the horizontals and verticals, channels, Fibonacci trend lines, right? And you can see, of course, this is the indicators, right? I think this is pretty much the major indicators that need to be used, that you should use, right? Like RSI, momentum, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, ATR, stochastic oscillator, just the basic main indicators you can see over here. You can use them, right? So let's see how to make trades. And one thing you should aware that this is not a broker. cTrader is just provide only the software, right? The cTrader platform, right? This is just a demonstration of demo account. So you can see various of trading assets, like when we go to all symbols, you can see commodities, cryptos, forex pairs. When we switch into cryptos, you can see so many cryptos, but I don't think you will be able to access all of these cryptocurrencies when the particular broker when you're trading, or particular prop firm when you're trading, right? So this is just demonstration. Well, let's go on to again the trades. Let's go on to Euro USD, right? Let's see how things works out. The spread, you can see the between ask price and bid price. There's no buy and sell buttons over here. We have to select the chart itself over here. You can see the lot size, and yeah, all right. And I'm gonna buy over here. Well, this is pretty much it, right? So that's it. So this, you can see the opening positions over here, and let's see what are the more features that you can see. Okay, you can off the grid, and on grid you can off and on the display positions over here, the simple stuff, the simple basic stuff, and you can maximize and minimize the charts. All right, you can see the buy and sell buttons over here. Well, that's not it, by the way. Well, anyway, you can just you cannot switch between another currency pair here. You just have to go back and select another currency pair, and you have to maximize again. So I think this is one of the things that will be improved. At least we have to access to switch another currency pair or trading asset from here itself too, and that's one of thing. And you can see pending orders and finance and closed positions over here. Yeah, let's see what are the things that let's move, and use options, inbox, and can edit profile. Performance tab, there's a performance tab. Let's see what's going on. Right, okay, You can see the performance of your trades, if you want to draw down or profitable, and you can see some basic statistics and best trade and buy and sell positions and profitable days, average win rates, like that stuff, right? That's also pretty cool over here. That's pretty much it. I think we have to find out. All right, there's a calendar, and there's another thing I have seen, the performance and the money manager. I think there's some service that has copy trading, like a cTrader option. Like cTrader also allows the copy traders, and MatchTrader also have a service of copy traders over here. Yeah, that's also good. You have another feature of you can see the calendars over here. Let's see how this works on. Yeah, you can see the today upcoming economic events. You can even filters of things like low to medium. We can just avoid the medium or low highs, but only just highs, and we can even select things right like that. Very cool stuff, right? And the copy trading, so yeah, this is a copy trading service. You can see the traders that has registered as copy traders, and you can see their statistics over here. You can even follow them. You can start with copy trading with them, which is also pretty good. And top moves of specific trading assets. And you can even see here news too, right? There's a news tab, and social feed. I think that's copy traders trading statistics, right? Most of the traders trading gold right now, and with the Euro USD, right? Social feed too. So I think that's pretty much it, and you can see the balance in up there. That's also kind of a difference than by compared to other trading platforms. Like most of the trading platforms balance, you can see appear the below line over here, but this one is above. That's also cool, and you can see the balance, margin, free margin, and equity all the over here. And let's talk about the things that will be improved over here. That personally I would like if this watch list able to be maximized and minimized as individual tab, as well the positions tabs too. Currently we are not available to do that, right? So that's what need to be improved. And when we maximize the chart over here, there's an ability to switch between currency pairs over here. So these are the major things that need to be improved, that need to be updated over here. Pretty much all in all, it's overall it's just pretty simple, good trading platform. And you can even here install the desktop app too. This is the web version. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's see another video, another trading platform like DS Trade or something like that, and stay tuned guys. See you again with another video.